Hello, good morning to all of you. I am Sandeep Sharma. Today I explain my chapter using the control panel, and this is the chapter 2 of class 5th. This chapter is explained with the help of some topics. First topic is working with the control panel. Second topic is operating the control panel. Third topic is changing the double click speed, and fourth topic is changing the shape of pointer. Fifth topic is remove the program. Now I start my chapter with the help of first topic, working with the control panel. What is the control panel? First of all, control panel is the option that is present in a window that have the setting of the window. This control panel is working is just like the setting present in the mobile phones. Now, what is the use of the control panel? The use of a control panel is to control the setting of a computer. Now, I'm going on a second topic, operating the control panel. When you are working with the control panel, you need to open the control panel window. How to open a control panel window? First of all, you are click on a start button, then after click on a control panel option. This is the way to open the control panel window. In this window, there are many options to change the setting of the window. Now, I explain my second topics, that is the setting the desktop background. First of all, this is the background which you set for the desktop is called the wallpaper, and you can select and set the desktop background of your choice. What is the step to change the desktop background? Follow this step. First of all, click on a start button, then after click on a control panel option. This window is appear here. You are click on the change desktop background, and this option is this window is appear here. You are select any type of picture here and click on a save change option. Now your desktop is to be changed just like that. Okay, now this is your next topic, setting the screensaver. Screensaver, what is a screensaver? A screensaver is moving image or a pattern which get the display on a monitor screen when there are no keystroke or a mouse movement for a specified duration. This is the screensaver. How to set the screensaver? To follow this step, first of all click on a start button, then after click on a control panel option. Control panel option, then the window is appear just like that, and now go in a appearance option. Now you are click on a change screen option. Now this window is come. Here you are choice any option which you want. Now here I choose the none and click apply button and click OK. Okay. Now this is the way to set the screen saver. Now gadgets. What is a gadgets? Window contain mini program called gadgets, which offer the useful information on the desktop. How to add the gadgets? First of all, follow this step. First of all, click on a start button, click on a control panel option, click on a appearance option, then click on a desktop gadgets option. Here these gadgets are present. You are choose any one gadgets. I choose clock gadgets and apply it just like that and close it. Okay. Now I am going on my third topic, change the double click speed. Double click means to click the double twice or doubles in the quick success. He may be able to perform the double click action. How to change the double click speed? So this is the steps. Follow it. First of all, click on a start button, then click on a control panel option, then click on a hardware and sound option, then click on a mouse option. Here you change the speed of the mouse and apply and OK. Okay, this is the way to change the double click speed here. Now I come on my fourth topic, changing the shape of a pointer. To recognize the shape of a mouse pointer and change the pointer scheme to get more interesting type of a mouse pointer. So what is the way to change the shape of a pointer? This is the way. First of all, you are click on a start button, then after click on a control panel option, then click on a hardware and source option, then click on a mouse option, then click on a pointer option. Here there is many type of pointer is there. You have to choose any type of pointer. I click on a normal selection and I click on a normal selection or helps selection working in a background. So I click on normal selection and apply. This is the way to change the shape of a pointer. Now my last topic is remove the program. By selecting the unnecessary programs to uninstall it, then you can remove the already installed program from your hard disk to uninstall these programs. This is the way to uninstall the unwanted program. First of all, click on a start button, then click on a control panel, then go on a program option, then go on a program and feature option. Here is many type of program is there. You have to right click on it and click on a uninstall option, and this is the way to uninstall your programs. Now my chapter is complete, so thank you very much.